Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, we're talking about latest tech tips, tech reviews and crypto trends. So if you are in one of those things, I'm suggesting you to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you will be updated about our latest videos. Also, I'm doing a giveaway every month, so stay tuned and don't miss everything. Let's jump into the video. Today I would like to talk with you about one specific Apple product that we all love, and that is iPhone. If you notice, since Steve Jobs left, the iPhone had become less and less interesting to the users. I had like iPhone 1, iPhone 4, 5, 6 and so on. And currently I'm using my iPhone 7 Plus. Why? And I will explain to you. When we get our first iPhone, the first model in 2007, it was pretty basic but revolutionary for that time, since I'm coming from Nokia. The 3G was a second update to the iPhone. We've got a slimmer design, few more colors, 3G, so that was something to buy for. In iPhone 4 we got that legendary Apple design, and we got features like Retina display, Siri and so on. In the next generation we've got better Siri, bigger display, we've got Touch ID and some exciting features. We've got 3D Touch in iPhone 6s. And since basically iPhone 7, iPhone stays the same. Honestly, from my point of view, this iPhone and the latest iPhone is not that much different. They basically have the same camera. It's a little bit better on the iPhone XS. Yes, the newer iPhone has this old screen display, which is nice, of course. But what really is the difference between iPhone 7 and all other iPhones? Well, we've got like better CPU, we've got better graphics, we've got better display, maybe. What is the difference between iPhone 7 and all other iPhones that have came out since? Well, from my point of view, we've got better CPU, of course, better graphics, yes. Camera pretty stayed the same, there was some improvements, and that's it. We don't get this feel of excitement getting the new iPhone. And the leaks we are seeing for the 2019 iPhone, you can see it here. Well, honestly, this phone gives me the creeps, especially the camera on the back. Doesn't look any good. So, what happened? We know that since Steve Jobs left, he selected Tim Cook to be Apple's CEO. Tim Cook doesn't focus too much on innovating the product line, and he is more focused on making bigger revenues. That's why iPhone's getting more expensive. And they are reusing the same model they've been using for years, which for us users is making iPhone less exciting. And that is why I may be not going to update my iPhone in 2019 again, which is sad. I really want to, but there's no options. Look at the Galaxy A10. At least they have a gorgeous design. Well, that was my thoughts on why I didn't upgrade my iPhone for the last 3 years. I would like to hear your opinion as well, so please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Stay tuned guys, have a great day, bye bye!